Welcome to another tutorial, and in this one we're going to be going back to the settings section and clicking over to visibility. What we have is a list of data sources, and these are the different ways we're getting information about aircraft. So you can toggle these on or off, and if you do toggle off the ADS-B, you'll stop seeing those that are being tracked with ADS-B. Likewise, space-based ADS-B, MLAT, OGN FLARM, and US-Canada radar. Below here you have something called estimations, and these are expressed in minutes. Now this says to Flight Radar that it can estimate up to this number of minutes where the aircraft is once it's left Flight Radar 24's coverage area. If you stick it up all the way at 240, it's going to give you a rough idea on most any routing where the aircraft is. And down at the bottom here you have one last section which is showing the types of traffic that are going to be displayed. So airborne aircraft, the most obvious, but you can also toggle on and off aircraft that are on the ground, ground vehicles, and gliders. Any questions? Let us know in the comments.